All right, my collectors, today let's find out what good news is coming your way, and it is coming very soon. So I am seeing that finally wait is going to get over. You have been waiting desperately for things to just set right. You have been so hurt lately. You have been very bored. You have just spent days and nights sobbing with your own self, crying when nobody was actually seeing. Just keeping up the hope. You've seen relationships breaking, relationships not coming to serve you the way that you expected them to. It's like nobody has been doing what they were supposed to do, and you have been still holding up to the faith that you have deep in your heart. You have been really keeping up your spirit. It's like real time आप बहुत stuck रहे हो ऐसी सिचुएशन में आप गए हो जहाँ आपको कुछ भी होप दिख नहीं सकती और किसी का भी टूट जाना बहुत ही आसान था उस समय पर आपने बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली इसको पार किया because I'm seeing that you have been connecting to God in some way, you have been meditating in some way, you have been keeping your calm even when things were just falling apart in front of you. You still did not leave your hope and you did not stop trying, and the result is finally you will be heard. जो रिश्ते आपने इतने प्यार से संभालने की कोशिश की है बिल्कुल टूट चुके थे, बिल्कुल बिखर चुके थे, एकदम बचने के बराबर जैसे हालत में ही नहीं दिख रहे थे, बट आपने वो होप उन लोगों में गुडनेस में आपने होप नहीं छोड़ी जो आपके आसपास थे. एंड सीइंग स्पेशली रिश्तों को लेके आप बहुत हर्ट हुए हो, हर्ट एज इन बहुत इग्नोर्ड फील किया आपने और बहुत अबैंडन भी फील किया एट अ मोमेंट. इट्स लाइक पीपल वर जस्ट नॉट टेकिंग केयर ऑफ यू, एज इफ यू डिड नॉट एग्जिस्ट. योर नीड्स वर नॉट बीइंग टेकन केयर ऑफ, यू वर नॉट हर्ड ऑफ, you've been hurt by people who were supposed to take care of you. They have been hurting you. It's like if, you're just getting pierced with the thorny words is what I'm seeing all the time. They've been piercing you with kind of thorny words despite I'm seeing you keeping up all the love that you had in your heart. You've been working hard to keep up with every ounce of whatever hope you have had in your heart, and let me tell you that has worked for you. And seeing you have been taking care of your own protection as well. Only then you have been able to come up to the stage where you can see the manifestation of what you have been hoping for. You have been taking care of the boundaries. आपको ऐसा टाइम आया है जब आपने अपने लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग बाउंड्रीज बनाना ठीक समझा because people were hurting you all the more. किसी भी तरीके से आपके रिश्तों को तोड़ने की कोशिश की गई, आपकी स्टेबिलिटी को तोड़ने की, हिलाने की कोशिश की गई, आपके पीस ऑफ माइंड को छीनने की कोशिश की गई, आपको बिल्कुल विदर्ड शार्टर्ड फील कराने की कोशिश की गई. इनफैक्ट बहुत एफर्ट्स लगाए गए और ये अनफॉर्चुनेट थिंग्स आर गोइंग टू कम टू बैलेंस. वंस अगेन you'll see yourself so strong now. You already have built up that strength, and that is why you could have done whatever you have done. So आपने बहुत ज्यादा strength develop कर ली है. Universe has blessed you with so much of strength, and at the same time your guides and your guardians are there by your side. आपको इतना सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. God is just supporting you from all sides is what I'm seeing. वो हर तरीके से आपके साथ में, जैसे एक आप किसी योद्धा को भेजते हो तो आप उसको सब चीजों के लिए equipped करके भेजोगे, ऐसे God has kind of I'm seeing that equipped you with everything at the moment. You've been so stagnant since so many days. You've not been seeing any progress, and you've just been hoping